Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing something really cool and fun, how to add the jitter effect to your text messages on your iPhone. It's a simple trick that can really spice up your conversations and get a few laughs. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps, show you exactly where to find this hidden feature, and even give you some examples of how to use it creatively. It's easier than you think, so stick around. But before we dive in, if you're new to the channel and enjoy tech tips and tricks like this, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future tutorials. And if you find this video helpful, give it a like. It really helps the channel grow. Okay, so what is this jitter effect we're talking about? Basically, it's a way to animate your text messages before you send them, making them wiggle, shake, or, well, jitter. It adds a playful, dramatic, or even slightly glitchy effect to your words, making them stand out. You can use it to emphasize a point, express excitement, or just be a little silly. So how do we do it? Let's get started and jump right into my iPhone screen. Screen recording starts. Alright, first things first, open up your Messages app. Now, type in the message you want to send. Let's say, for example, you want to write Happy Birthday. Okay, now this is the crucial part. Instead of just tapping the send button, press and hold it. This will bring up the Send with Effect screen. You'll see a few different effect options at the bottom, bubble and screen. We want screen. Tap on screen at the top. Now, swipe through the different screen effects. You'll see echo, spotlight, balloons, confetti, love, lasers, and finally, jitter. Select jitter by tapping on it. You'll see a preview of how your message will appear with the jitter effect. The entire screen will shake slightly, drawing attention to your text. If you're happy with the jitter effect, tap the blue send button. And that's it. Your message will be sent with the jitter effect. Screen recording ends. So there you have it. Adding the jitter effect to your text messages on iPhone is that easy. It's a fun and creative way to make your conversations a little more engaging. Experiment with different messages and see how you can use the jitter effect to express yourself. Maybe you can use it for announcements, surprises, or just to be a bit quirky. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.